Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how to do data binding for lookup single record. Now let's move one step ahead and see data binding for lookup multiple records using a real use case. So my use case is I want to display the list of users whose email ends with @gmail.com and I want to display the user's ID and email. For that, we need to create a data resource. On the left panel, click data resources. Click on plus icon to add a new data resource. Select lookup multiple records. Click on add. Rename it as user records. Now select the user table and give a condition like email contains @gmail.com. Click on apply. So you can see here the results in result section we are having 14 records. Now close this. Now in components panel, search for carousel. Before that, what is a carousel? A carousel is a component used to display content in sliding panels. It's perfect when you want to show one item at a time with swipe or slide navigation. Select carousel and add. A carousel requires multiple items, so we need to repeat content for each record. For that, we will place a repeater inside the carousel. What is a repeater? A repeater generates UI elements repeatedly based on the number of records in your data resource. If you have 10 Gmail users, the repeater will create 10 items, one for each user. This repeater will create one carousel slide per user. Search for repeater. Now in configuration panel, hover over data arrays, click the binding icon, select data resources, and select the data resource that we have created previously. And select on results. Click on apply. Now, inside the repeater, drag and drop a card-based container. Inside that card-based container, we are adding heading component and stylized text component. Select the heading component. Go to the title field in the right configuration panel. Click on bind data symbol. Go to repeaters. Select the heading component. Go to label section. Select the heading component. Go to the label in the right configuration panel. Select bind data symbol. In binding options, select repeaters and select the display value and apply. Now the heading will display each user's full name fetched from the data resource. Save. Click on preview to see the output. Here you will see a carousel with multiple slides. Each slide comes from the repeater. Each repeater item shows a card. Each card displays the user ID. Everything updates dynamically because it is bound through the data resource. And that's it for the today's video. If you enjoyed this session, make sure to like and subscribe for more UI Builder content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.